Intro.
We're going to kick this one off right away with the shout out. I'm sure most of you already know this channel. Great builder, modifications. What he dreams up is just incredible. The name of his channel explains it all. So let's get to it. It is Billy over at Crankenstein Creations. He's just an amazing builder. Right now he's got a group build going on about going through your spare parts and making an insect. He's going to create something with the builds through AI, which really looking forward to. A lot of us have sent them pictures of our builds, some builds, and he's created awesome drag racing videos from them. Man, this guy's got some, I'm telling you, he's a man of many talents. He's just amazing. You got to go over and check this guy out. You're going to be very happy that you did. I will leave his link below so you all can go check him out. Give him a sub. Show him some love. And he also sent along a nice sticker to put with all my other stickers there that we got. And then I've sent a smaller sticker that I can stick on either my toolbox or maybe one of my printers, something. So I like this one because this one I can put anywhere. Oh wait, one more thing. Don't go away. All right. Have a little music, please. Da na na, da na na na, da na na, da na da da. Oh, photo. Check this out. Check this out. Isn't that a cool t-shirt? Man, that thing rocks. That is so awesome. Thank you, Billy, so much for the card, the stickers, this rockin' t-shirt. This is just very, very cool. It's a very cool t-shirt. Really, really, really like it. It's just cool. All right, so now let's get to what's going on the bench. Not a lot. Things move a little slower in the summer. I guess a lot of you can relate to that with yard work and vacations and children and grandkids. Keeps you busy in the summer. So I've been doing as much as I can on the bench. So with all that said, unnecessarily, let's check it out. Once again, excuse the disaster. Usually I clean it up for the video, but I've just got so much going on that to think about organizing this and cleaning it off and knowing where I put everything is just not going to happen. All right, so what have we done? Well, painted some door panels. Started detailing them. Focus. So I started detailing them. Got a little tear in the armrest here. Not done dirtying it. Wanted to get all the chrome details done. So we got that. We got the other door. Not going to put any tiers in this one. I may add a couple more tiers to the other one on the padding part of the material. But there's that. Just started doing the interior for the other car. Messed up the detail on this chrome a tad. So this one, hello, this one's got to be touched up a bit. Then I'll start the other door panel. So that's what I'm not going to show you. Let's see. I finished putting up the rusted up final color on this, the burnt umber. So I think that's looking pretty cool. I'm going to do some more rot spots. Some of these rot spots I'm not happy with. Particularly this one. You know, it just looks like I punched through with the Dremel, and I don't want it to look like that. It's going to look a bit ragged. So I'm going to fix that one up there. It's going to have to be a lot more rotted. Rot's going to have to go a lot further to straighten that sucker out. But I know there's no mistakes in rusting, but I want this one to look better. So we're going to do that one over. What else? I started putting together and painting the engine that has been pulled out of the blue Impala. So this is going to get rotted up pretty good. Just started with that. Got a few more pieces to put on. I'm learning that if I rust each piece before I put it on, I can get into the cavities that I normally couldn't get into. So that's what I'm trying to do. There were a few parts I put on first, but because those don't really matter much. But yeah, so that's what I'm doing here. That's why this rust looks so just on the, well, anyway. That said, there we go. All right, then I did interior. Almost done with one of the interiors. So let me show you that. First I will show you, I was able to find on Cults some beer cans. So I did print out some beer cans. There's also a, let me show you. Hold on a minute. Hold your horses. I'm coming right back. I promise. Just getting something to show you. It'll be worth the wait. Okay, hold on. Here I come. All right, so I haven't cut it off yet, but it is, I don't know, hope this camera will see it. It is, focus. It is a sardine can that has been opened. I don't know if I put it in this position, if you can see it better. But yeah, there's that. So, I don't know, maybe these guys who are restoring the car like sardines. Maybe I should find a cracker box. I don't eat them. My father used to, so that's hers. Maybe you do. Don't mean to insult you, but they're gross. All right. And I also found, which I was really looking for, and I couldn't find them. I don't know if this was a new file added to Cults, but it is the crushed can. So I am going to have a few of these strewn around. Now that I've shown you these, and I've explained, let me show you the interior so far. All right, so I've got it all dirtied up. I did use the should have had all this stuff out before. I did use the weathering set from Hobby Lobby that I used to dirty the seats up. So, and then there, see, there's one of the beer cans right there. I attempted to make it look like, you know, a popular brand of beer. I don't know that I did the label big enough or not. I think it's just a matter of somebody being able to look at it and recognizing, going, hey, that's you know, the guy that's smarter than the other beers. You know, his name is Bud. So there's the crush can. I've got put in the back seat there, along with one of the, obviously, one of the air filters got thrown back there. Whatever you want to call it. Name escapes me right now, so we'll just say the thing. All right. Really, that's. I did get the dented fender painted. You know, really looking at. I'm going to try to do something I know it's already shaped in there, but I think I can push it more. I think I can push it more like up here on the ridge of the fender. Give it a little more carry through, because I think it looks weird just being just slightly under and nothing up here. It looks great. So I don't like the way it looks. I'm going to put a little more bend in that. The question is there anything else to show you? Well, as I think about it, no, there is not. So that means that's all I got for you today. I'm telling you, I'm going to ask you again, go check out Billy, give him a sub. You're going to be very, very pleased he did. He took a little time off, lost some subscribers, but he's a very, very worthwhile channel to follow. So go over, tell him I sent you. With that, I want to thank you for stopping by. I want to thank all my old, new subscribers. I thank you so much for your support. And if you're just dropping by and you like this kind of stuff and you found this interesting enough to watch the whole video, please subscribe, give me a like, share, click that notification bell so you know every time I put up a new video. With that, thank you again. Have a great day. God bless, and I will see you next time.